In this video, you'll learn how to apply colors to parts, faces, and even individual features, perfect for organizing complex assemblies and improving visual clarity. Let's get started. Okay, so to color an entire part, right click the part name in the part list and choose Edit Appearance. Pick your color from the palette and click OK. Here you can see the preview appears. Now let's see how to color individual faces and highlight just one surface. Right click directly on the face and select Add Face Appearance. Apply a different color just to that face without affecting the rest of the part and click OK. Here you can see the preview appears. So if you need to call out a certain feature like a fillet, pattern or hole, right click the feature in the feature list. Then select the Edit Feature Appearance. Apply a different color just to the feature and click OK. Here you can see the preview updates. So coloring helps you to group similar parts, highlight key components and make complex model easier to understand, specifically in large assemblies. And that's how you apply appearance on Onshape, simple, visual and powerful. If this helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick Onshape tips. Thank you.